All right, Lab Express. Let's talk about it. All right, this is a great medical courier company based out of the Memphis, Tennessee-ish area, but they have nationwide routes, nationwide jobs. Like I'm gonna show you in this video, Lab Express application based, so you would have to have a smartphone. They coordinate their routes and everything through a smartphone app. They do stat on demand, overnight, all type of medical pickup, specimen delivery, veterinarian services, pharmaceuticals, equipment. They pretty much get everything to people. And they also work with major airlines, so they're all over the country and they're doing good work. They've been around for a while. Very reputable company. That's what we like to see on the Boss Up channel. We don't want to play games with these companies, these low paying jobs. We don't need them. We don't want them. But even though this is mostly part-time work, you can stack the routes together and make a 6 to 8 hour day or possibly longer. So let's talk about it. Independent contractors. So they got general and they got specific cities. You see there in Salt Lake, Utah, Albuquerque, Pennsylvania, Louisiana, they even Montana, Billings, Montana. It's the first time I ever seen a Montana position pop up while doing these research. Arkansas, Fort Lauderdale, Washington, Oklahoma, Philadelphia. Here's Savannah, close to Georgia, Valdosta as well. So here are 46 jobs they have available right now. Just because you don't see something close to you on this page, that means they just might not be hiring for it right now. But you can probably get on the general contactors list. And then when something opens up in the area, they will possibly call you. But on this channel, we do not wait for them to sit back and call you. We hop right on into the fire. We pull right up to the business office building. We call and email. We bug the crap out of these people until we get the route you want. So here is some jobs in Savannah, Georgia. These are part-time routes. You need a reliable insurance, good driver's license, EIN number. So they require you to have an EIN number. A lot of times you can use your social as default EIN, claim a sole proprietor. That works. But it looks like they want you to be a boss up, get your own federal ID, tax EIN number. That's free. So you don't actually have to file your business with the state. You can file a sole proprietorship and just go to the irs.gov and get you a free EIN number. That's it's kind of paired up with your social. Just name your business whatever you want, but you don't have to technically file with the state just to get an EIN number just to get this. But I would suggest you do. You can start building a business credit. I'll show you guys how to do that. If you're interested in building business credit, tap in with me. Follow me at Credit K on Instagram and TikTok, or you can book a consult, creditk.com, KAE, just like the boss up with K. Your boy Kevin Blackman. And follow my other YouTube channel. It's pretty much at Kevin Blackman now. I just changed it to my full name. Stop all the confusion. So that's that. And yeah, learn how to get your credit up. And like I did, I bought a Sprinter van with my business credit, no money down, no personal credit check, and off to the money. And I got cars and other things in my business, which you can use for these part-time services. You can get small Priuses, hire drivers to do these little positions and keep some profit. Have them running, 6 days a week. Easily pay your car note, have somebody else pay that car note off for you. But back to these jobs here in Savannah, Richmond Hill, Georgia. 3-hour route for $75, only 70 miles. So it looks like they're paying roughly around $1 a mile, plus a little bonus. Now, I've done these medical courier routes. It never takes the time that they say it does. Definitely doesn't take 3 hours to go 70 miles, even with stopping, getting out, checking the specimen, going into hospitals. Going into hospitals, it doesn't take that long, guys. So all you need to do is, get one of these routes, and then you get another one like this one. So if you're in the Savannah area, you know how close this is. Richmond Hill, Hilton Head, Savannah, and there's all within like an hour away from each other. So you do this one, you do that one, you stack them up. Now you got a $160 a day for 5 hours. It's pretty good money. 5-hour work, driving, about 150 miles or so. Not really burning up that much gas if you're in a small, fuel-efficient vehicle. You definitely don't want to be an SUV or truck driving these miles for that low pay. These is more for, smaller cars, compact sedans, things of that nature. But, if you're already out driving your van, you can pick this up on the route and, build on top of the other ones. So that's that. Let's kind of look at Indeed. Yes, indeed. Now, here's one in Fort Lauderdale. Like a longer route. No, this is only so you got more mileage. So like I said, it's still around that $1 a mile rate. This is 130 miles, 4 hours. Vero Beach. Now you kind of started Vero Beach at 10 and at Coral Springs. Now you know how far that is, if it's worth it. Now you're all the way in Coral Springs and you got to go all the way back to Vero Beach. That might not be worth it. They're not being be worth you driving 4 hours. So you got to make it make sense to you. But some of these jobs are great paying, great part-time hours, great for, getting off work, doing something else, making additional income. This is for you. All right. So that's the Lab Express video. You see how much they pay. You see the areas they're in. Go ahead and hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. Helps this video get out to a wider audience. And also, if you don't see anything in your area still, you can comment below. Say, hey, can you do something in this state, this city, this area? Some I'm already done. So please check the channel. Please subscribe. I've done over 200 videos over the last year about driving gigs. So I know I got something for you. A lot of other content creators are taking these videos and redoing them. But you know who did them first. You see what's up. Holla at me later. And next time, remember, always boss up, baby.